Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting the X200 Fe on a stable tripod and framing close. This removes camera shake immediately. Set aperture to about f/8 f/11 to balance depth of field and sharpness, and pick shutter speed starting near 1/125 or use a remote release if slower. Once done, switch to manual focus and magnify live view 5 to 10 times. You will see details and make tiny focus adjustments. Make sure to compose with subject contrast in mind to ease focusing. Next, refine focus and lighting to get crisp macro detail. You should use focus stacking. Take a sequence of frames shifting focus about 10 to 30% across the subject, because depth of field is very shallow at close distances. Simultaneously, add 2 small LED lights at 45 degrees or a reflector for soft fill, which prevents harsh shadows and preserves texture. Make sure to keep ISO at native 100/400 to minimize noise, and use steady exposures so alignment is consistent between frames. Finally, you process and finalize the images. Import the sequence, align and stack in your chosen focus stacking software, then crop and apply selective sharpening while preserving highlights. Export at 300 dpi for print or appropriate web size for online. If you see softness or halos, reshoot. Check your focus rail or micro-adjust focus, magnify live view, and consider lowering aperture one stop to increase in focus area. If surfaces reflect, reposition LEDs or add diffusers. This usually fixes specular hotspots quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.